thank you all actually to be here. Thank you for having traveled also very far. People from all over the world, people from New York, people from Europe, people from Canada, etc. So thank you so much. Of course, thank you the bank for the hospitality. Yeah, generally at the end of these 2 days, apart to be a bit tired, we come back home with more doubts and maybe more scare because you know the quantum technology is going to break all our codes and our bank accounts will be empty in a matter of minutes. Agent AI are going to sit in these panels in the years to come and replace us. I mean, I think it's good to bring under the same roof different type of opinions, different type of expertise, academics, regulators, entrepreneurs, and of course do like always meet together during the coffee break, which is basically the most important part of these events, because you can speak freely, right? And realize that actually at the end of the day, everything boiled down to life experience, our personal life experience. That is not our professional life experience. Our personal life experience take us who we are, shape us, our thoughts, shape even our professional activity. So there will not be agent that will replace human, I guess, because of this fundamental differentiation between us and algorithms. Of course, we are scientists. Some of us are very much involved into these technologies, and technologies are advancing a lot. So it's good that we bring regulators, we bring lawyers, we bring policymakers and educate them, like we do with exponential science, because of course new technologies bring new risk, actually. But we always need to, I think, start from the point of view that we don't need to be scared, because we are the kind of the controller over what we produce. There is always our fingerprint on whatever we do in a smart contract or in a piece of code. There is always a piece of us there. So, and if we realize that there is always us behind everything we do, then this boils down to the human condition of who we are and what we want to be as a society. So thank you to be here. And,
I have a few thanks I need to give, and one comment I would like to make to just finish off the conference in terms of the infrastructure. We've been talking about a lot of infrastructure, right? We've spoken about resilient infrastructure, digital money, AI systems, tokenized assets, but I hope you all will probably agree with me that after 2 full days of this particular workshop, we can agree that the most important infrastructure here has been the coffee break. Thank you very much. So I would like to thank the National Bank of Kazakhstan for hosting us here in Astana, Professor Paolo Tasca for setting up this workshop and conference many years ago. Thank you. And the P2P team for bringing us all here together for these 2 days. Special thanks also to Dias Savitkanov, whose work connecting exponential science with the National Bank of Kazakhstan and coordinating so much of the local engagement has made this particular workshop possible. Thank you to all the moderators, to all the speakers, the panelists, the paper presenters, organizers, and indeed to you, the participants who have joined us for these 2 days. I think, Kazakhstan is now firmly in our minds for those of us who are visiting, and we will hopefully be collaborating in the future. And one thing for you to bear in mind as we leave, there will be another P2P next year, and if you have any interesting or if you have any thoughts...
Raise your hand if you want to candidate yourself as a candidate.
We would be very happy to engage with you.
Very good.
Yeah?
So you know how to find us.
Yeah. Thank you very much,
Thank
everyone.
you.